Hello and welcome. Now in this video, ladies and gentlemen, we are gonna finish our fourth step, which is filling the list view with our data. Now ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we have our main activity.xml opened, and I just have added this list view, okay, with the ID of list_view to my main activity.xml. Now going here on our onCreate or the main activity function, the main activity.kotlin file, and in the onCreate function, what we are going to do, we are going to add all these stuff that we need. So the first thing that we are going to add, we're going to create a variable. I'm going to call it items. It's equal to an array list, okay, of type custom class, and this will be array list of type custom class, and that should be empty for now. We are going to add everything here. I'm going to add items dot add. I want to add something to my array list, okay, which will be of type custom class, and here we need to specify two things. The first one, it's or not two things, four things. The first one will be the title. In this case, for example, let's say mobile or app development, okay. The second thing that we need to specify is the description for this, which will be learn anything and anywhere, ladies and gentlemen, from start to end, okay. And the third thing that we need to specify is actually the image one, okay, the first image that will show, and this will live in .r.drawable.image one, and the second one, the fourth one, we need to specify. Now you may be wondering, guys, what this image one is actually a drawable file that we have in our drawable. It's not an ID, okay, this is an image, okay. I just want to notice that. And the last thing that we need to specify is the image 2 that will show drawable dot, for example, this image. And what I'm gonna do for the time saving, let's duplicate this line, okay, and changing the images to be, for example, here 5, and here I'm gonna leave it, maybe here also should be 4, okay, and keep changing these stuff, okay. For example, I just have some images, so I'm gonna play around with them instead of adding new images. So it's really depend on you to add more images, okay, ladies and gentlemen. So just for explanation purposes, okay. And I think I'm done with this. What I'm gonna do now, we need to create adapter, okay, to call our adapter. Sorry, I'm going to create a variable called adapter. It's equal to our adapter or list adapter that we have, okay. And we need to pass two things. The first one is the context. It lives at this main activity, and the second thing that we need to specify is the data that we need to show, which is lives in items array that we have here on the top. And what we want to do, we want to fetch our list view from our activity. So I'm going to create a variable. I'm going to call it list. It's equal to the find view by ID method. We need to cast it as a list view, okay. And I'm going to type r.id.list_view, okay. And last but not least, I'm going to type list view.set.adapter, okay. .adapter should equal to our adapter that we have on the top or here, okay, ladies and gentlemen. And here shouldn't be list view, should be list, okay, because we want to call this list here, okay, ladies and gentlemen. I think everything is set up. Now what we can do, we can run our application on a real Android device, and let's see how it will work. Now as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we have our application up and running. And here is the list view that we have designed it, okay. We have two images with big title with some description. You can add your own, okay. I'm gonna just scrolling a little bit for you, ladies and gentlemen, so okay, you can see it. It's very nice, and as we have designed it, okay, you can change all the images, but my point here is you can design the list that you want, fill it with the data you want. It's really depend on you, okay. So what we are gonna do, I think in the next video, we are gonna maybe setting an on-click listener, okay, on this list view, okay, to do certain thing, okay. And thank you guys so much for watching. That was our fourth step with the list views, and we are going to continue on in the next video.